Good afternoon. It's an unfortunate fact of life, but we're all getting older, and with age comes all sorts of problems. And these problems began to really manifest themselves and appear, from in and around 60 onwards. Things just didn't work in my body as well as they did before. And whenever you turn to the National Health Service, you're finding things are not working well in it either. Now, the National Health Service is brilliant, don't get me wrong, but they're not coping. And in order to have a safety net apart from the National Health Service, many people are turning to private health. And one of the cheapest private health schemes that covers so much is this organisation called Beneden Helth. And a lot of my friends are turning to this. And one friend in particular needed a cataract operation done. Now, the waiting time for that was just going to be out of the question. He was going to lose his driving licence and all the rest of it because of that. And with Beneden Helth, because he was in it, they paid, he was able to go private and they paid for it. And we're talking about a couple of £1,000. So I said to myself, my goodness, that's pretty good. I don't have problems with my eyes, but there are other things. And if you're waiting to see a doctor, if you're waiting to see a consultant in the National Health Service, you'll wait a long time. And that's just the way it is. And if you're waiting for an operation, in many cases, you will wait a long time. So, as I said, a lot of people are considering private health schemes. And one of the cheapest and most efficient private health schemes, as I say, is this Beneden Helth. Now, I'm not going to go over it, and it's advertised on TV and all the rest of it, but I signed up a couple of weeks ago because a lot of my friends have joined up already. And for my wife and myself to be covered under this scheme is £23 a month. Now, that is pretty good for what you actually get, and you can check this all out yourselves. You don't need me to walk you through it. And it's very, very easy to join up. You do it online, and this is it here that I'm showing you. Now, they will not cover you for big operations, but they will cover you for relatively smallish operations. So I'm going to leave this in, with you, and it's not beyond your means. £23 a month for two people, £11.50 a month for one. It's not beyond your means. £11.50. My goodness gracious, what would that buy you? So check it out and see for yourself.